Okay, so this is my kitchen. Excuse my kitchen because that's where my dogs go to the bathroom. But this whole area was flooded from my hot water heater. But my kitchen usually stays the hottest in the summer. Yes, I have air conditioning, but for some reason this kitchen stays the hottest. So these are steel fans. Steel. This is steel. It is not plastic. And then that bottom is a weighted bottom. It's weighted, so it really holds up to the speed. Yes, this is short, but yeah, you can fix that. I mean, you can get around that, but check this out. Now, this is on the low, and that's low. Okay? That's low. Now, that's what it sounds like. And I'm loving it. It's chilly off the top because steel blades just bring in cooler air other than plastic. Okay, so now here's the medium. Okay, and we're gonna go with high. This thing will keep my kitchen cool in the summer because I cook a lot and I don't eat out. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchases. Everything I've purchased, plastic, is either died on me or either the feet just dissipate or just wobbles. But this thing is on high and it is not moving. It's not shaking. Sorry, that's my work bag for lunch. My lunch bag. So yeah, look at that. I got happy dogs. So yeah. Great purchase. Would do it again. I bought two. One for my bedroom and one for my kitchen. My bedroom's the hottest area as well. Even though I have air conditioning in it. It's super hot. So I have to have an air conditioner so I won't have the air on high. I just put it on low. Put this on. Boom. I live in Alabama. It gets hot up here. Anyway. Deuces. I hope you guys like it. Worth every penny.
Alright, so I just set this up. This Deluxe Simple Deluxe. It's very simple to set up, and it's very quiet too. That's what I was really looking for. Of course, it comes with the remote. I was looking for that too, and you know, it's really quiet. The other fans that I've gotten off of Amazon on the lowest speed, it'd be really loud. But with this one, it's really quiet. And that's what I really like about it. This one is getting 5 stars.
I am loving it. Loving it. Hear the breeze. Hear the breeze. And that's on the lowest setting. It is beautiful. Simply beautiful. Didn't take me but 5 minutes to put it together, or less than 5 minutes. And I only needed a screwdriver, like it says. It's in my garage because that's where I need it. Blowing out some cool air on this warm, sunny day. Does not rotate. Husband wish it did rotate, but I'm sure if we isolate the air, it will be cool. But in the meantime, it's good. It blows cool air. This is the noise it makes on low setting. Medium. High. It's quite loud. This is broke. It's cracked. And I need another one sent to me. Here's the piece. Yeah.
Sounds awesome. Yeah. There you go. That's great. That's less than a year.
Hey Lexus, play my Dope 3 playlist.
Not sturdy.
Background for the dog. At Casper's death, the estate will pass into the hands of my only surviving relative, Thomas Craig.
This fan is seriously pushes out a lot of air. Wow, it's amazing.
So here, the inside cracked, which now the base can no longer hold it.